The cabin air filter in your 2023-2024 Toyota Sequoia, also known as the AC filter, cleans the air entering the cabin. Replacing it regularly improves air quality, reduces allergens, prevents odors, and ensures optimal HVAC system performance. A clogged filter can restrict airflow, reduce AC efficiency, and even damage the blower motor. We'll show you how to replace it easily. The cabin air filter in the 2023 to 2024 Toyota Sequoia is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. This location makes it easily accessible for DIY replacement without special tools. Knowing the exact location is the first step in a quick and efficient filter change. Before you begin, gather these supplies: a new cabin air filter, gloves, and possibly a Phillips head screwdriver if the filter housing has screws. To access the cabin air filter housing in your 2023-2024 Toyota Sequoia, start by opening the passenger side glove box. Next, locate the side stops or latches on the glove box. Depress or unlatch these to allow the glove box to swing down further. Finally, gently pull the glove box assembly down and out of its hinges. This exposes the cabin air filter housing behind it. Once the glove box is out of the way, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. It's a rectangular plastic cover secured by clips or screws. If there are screws, remove them with your screwdriver. Gently unclip the housing cover and pull it off. Slide the old cabin air filter out of the housing. Note the direction of airflow, usually an arrow on the filter, for proper installation of the new filter. Now take your new cabin air filter. Look for the airflow arrow on the filter. It should match the direction from the old filter you removed. This arrow indicates how air flows through the filter. The arrow usually points downward or towards the rear of the vehicle. This ensures air is filtered properly as it moves through the system. Insert the new filter into the housing, making sure the arrow matches the correct direction. Push it in gently but firmly. Make sure the filter is seated correctly within the housing. It should fit snugly without gaps. Check that it's fully inserted and secure. Now that you've installed the new cabin air filter, it's time for final checks and maintenance tips to ensure proper airflow. This confirms the filter is working correctly. Consider replacing your cabin air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions. Dusty or urban environments may require more frequent changes. Regular maintenance prevents HVAC issues and keeps your cabin air clean and fresh. Disconnecting the battery is unnecessary for this procedure.